Morning, everyone. Before we start, let's have our opening prayer to be led by Engineer Francis.
Let us pray. Almighty God, we ask for your guidance as we conduct this pre-bid conference. Grant us clarity, patience, and understanding as we discuss the bidding requirements, procedures, and concerns of all prospective bidders. May this activity promote fairness, transparency, and equal opportunity among participants. Guide the BAC, TWG, Secretariat, and bidders in carrying out their responsibility with honesty and commitment. May this project serve its purpose and the benefit of the people we serve. Amen.
Good morning again. Considering that the BAC chairperson has already retired, I, as the BAC vice chairperson, will preside over today's pre-bid conference. So, unahin po natin yung pre-bid. So, we have 4 na pre-bid, dalawang goods for bidding, 1 infra for bidding, and 1 maintenance project for bidding. So the purpose of this pre-bid conference is to clarify and discuss the requirements, specification, eligibility documents, bidding procedure, and other matters related to the project. This is also the opportunity for the bidders to raise questions or seek clarification before the submission of bids. For the confirmation of the live streaming and video recording, BACSEC, please confirm. So, acknowledgement of the participants. I would like to present the BAC member of this committee. On my right, Engineer Francis Vincent H. Saloria, BAC member. On my left, Engineer Norman C. Estolas, BAC member. And Darwin Tayab, BAC member for goods. And yours truly, already Mark B. Pasqua, the BAC Vice Chairperson. So for this infra pre-bid, we are 3 out of 5, so we have a quorum. A majority of the BAC members are present. So I would like also to acknowledge the presence of the BAC Secretariat, DPWH, and kindly acknowledge the witnesses and bidders. Engineer Norman.
We would like to acknowledge the following witnesses who are present today. Brylin Alberto from Luby Construction, Jaime A. Candido Kagawat from Asin. Good morning, sir. Ma'am Evelyn A. Balangoy from Guapa Construction, Ma'am Roslyn Tan Bulawe from REF Road Construction, Sir P.O. Peludan from Mark Winters, Sir Gerardo Bisulen, and Sir Jonathan Lawan from Lubim Construction, Richard Chan from Heights Construction, and sa online viewers po natin, good morning po.
Thank you. May we request the programmer to present the brief overview of the project to be discussed today, including the scope of work, technical specification, duration, and other requirements. So please introduce yourself, the project name. You can proceed to discuss the project for pre-bid.
Once again, good afternoon to each and everyone. I am Engineer John Louis Pareno under the Planning and Design section. And I will be discussing the 2 projects, road widening, First is the road widening at secondary roads, Gopak Road, at Chainage 18 to Chainage 91. The total project duration is 179 calendar days with a total net length of 73 meters and amounting to 13,061,000 pesos and 440 pesos. So for this project, these are the scope of works. We have the road widening, reinforced concrete retaining wall and grouted riprap for slope protection, installation of HDPE pipes for drainage system, including the solar LED street lights, sidewalk, and curb and gutter. So for our street lights, we have 4 proposed and sidewalk of 94 square meters. We have the Portland cement concrete of 239 square meters. And under 404, 405, ito yung gagamitin natin sa proposed retaining wall. So under CW2, construction of slope protection, andyan po yung HDPE pipes na drainage and yung 19 individual removal of trees. So ito yung project location, ito yung intersection. This site is going to Harrison Road, this is going to Gopak Road, and this is the Harrison Road number 2. So i-discuss ko mamaya kasi interconnected yung dalawang project. So yung andito sa baba niya is yung Harrison Road number 2. So andito muna tayo sa Gopak Road from Chainage 18 to Chainage 91. So ito yung sa end ng project is yung existing na PCC PCC pavement na papasok sa entrance ng SM parking. So ito naman yung location map showing yung boundary ng title ng SM at yung ating proposed project, itong color blue. So ito yung start from Chainage 18. So ito yung mga tatabasan natin, malalagyan ng slope protection na retaining wall at riprap. Hanggang dito po sa end ng existing na pavement na 1 lane. So ito naman yung parcellary survey plan which is included in the approved plan. Showing naman yung stationing ng ating mga proposed structures. Andito yung retaining wall, riprap, tapos yung HDPE pipes. And yung 4 na installation ng solar street lights, ito yung location nila, tapos isa sa island, tapos doon sa adjacent ng project. So ito yung straight line diagram. So ito naman yung typical cross section showing yung mga proposed structures. So ito yung retaining wall natin, sidewalk, curb and gutter, PCCP na 1 lane, tapos yung HDPE pipe. So ito yung mga details ng ating manhole covers inlets which is included in the approved plan. At yung detail ng ating grouted riprap. So ang total length pala ng riprap na proposed is 8 meters. So for retaining wall structures, meron tayong height na 9 meters which is equivalent to 27 meters. Meron din tayong 7 meters equivalent to 23 meters. And meron din yung 9 meters doon sa second terrace na 15 meters. Ito naman yung ating detail for the solar street lights. Andito na rin yung specification included din sa ating approved plan. So yun lang po sa ating first project with the contract ID of 26PD0027. So for our next project, network development, road widening secondary roads, Harrison Road number 2 at Chainage 190 until Chainage at 235 with a duration of 130 calendar days with a length of 45 meters and amounting to 6,434,680 pesos. So, ito yung scope of work naman sa Harrison Road, road widening, reinforcing concrete, retaining wall and grouted riprap, sidewalk, curb and gutter, HDPE pipes, and solar LED street lights. So, meron tayo ditong removal of trees na 1. At yung HDPE pipes na 30 meters. At solar street lights na 4. Tapos, andyan din yung PCCP natin, including curb and gutter, sidewalk, at yung slope protection na riprap and retaining wall. So, ito naman yung location ng project natin. So, yung kanina, yung compact, dito yung start niya hanggang doon sa entrance ng SM parking. So, ito naman is located siya doon sa may gilid ng building ng Teleperformance at Chainage 190 hanggang Chainage 235. So, ito naman yung project. Ayan. So, ito yung start ng project. At ito yung end naman ng project natin. So, yung installation po ng solar street light, meron tayong located dun sa Baguio Museum. Meron tayong 2. Meron din tayong isa dun sa may entrance ng City High. Tapos, yung isa naman dito sa may intermediate ng project. So, dun sa PCC na area, included na yung transition ng ating restoration ng driveway. So, ito yung ating parcellary plan. Naka-indicate yung mga stationing ng mga proposed structures. So, ito naman yung typical section showing yung proposed structures natin, retaining wall, sidewalk, curb and gutter, PCCP, and HDPE pipe. Ito yung straight line diagram. At yung details ng ating manhole covers and inlets na included dun sa approved plan. At yung riprap natin with a total length of 3 meters. So for this project, meron po tayong 9.5 meter high na retaining wall with a total length of 15 meters and 6 meter high retaining wall with a total length of 12 meters. At yung ating solar LED street light detail with the specifications. So ang gagamitin pala dun sa both project is 8 meter pole. So that's all for the project under 26 PD 0028.
So, yun po yung Project 26PD 0027 and 26PD 0028. Gopak and Harrison Road 2. Magkadugtong lang sila. So are there any questions or query regarding this project from our prospective bidders and from online viewers, from our visitors today? Do you have any questions? So none? None? So let's proceed for the next project. Engineer Carl, kindly introduce yourself and start your presentation.
Planning and Design section. The project I will be presenting is the Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps, Access Roads and or Bridges from the National Roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of road Barangay Asin, Station 0 plus 000 to Station 0 plus 400, Baguio City. So the location of the project the construction of road at Barangay Asin, Baguio City with the station limit of Station 0 plus 000 to Station 0 plus 400 with a net length of 400 meters. The project has an approved budget for the contract of 24 million and 10,000 pesos with an allocation of 24,500,000 pesos. This slide shows the project location. This slide presents the actual site inspection conducted along the project alignment. So ito po yung start ng project natin. And then ito po yung intermediate and then yung end po ng project natin. So nagkaroon din po tayo ng coordination meeting with the barangay and yung certification po na nakipag-coordinate po tayo sa barangay. Ito po yung coordination meeting dito po sa office. Kasama po yung mga end users and yung barangay officials po. Ito po yung summary of quantities. So, meron po tayong dalawang scope of work. For CW1, construction of slope protection structure. For CW2, construction of concrete road. Sa CW1 po, ang major po dito ay yung 4041A, reinforcing steel, and then yung 4051A2, structural concrete for retaining wall. For CW2, construction of road, 3111C1 for cement concrete pavement and may area po na 1,600 square meters. Ito po yung straight line diagram showing po yung proposed po ng project natin and then yung mga for removal po natin since widening po ito. May mga matatamaan po ng mga bahay. Road plan and profile. And meron po tayong tatlong height ng retaining wall. Meron po tayong 4 meters, 5 meters, and 7 meters. And ito po yung typical section showing PCCP. The detail of curb and gutter. And the typical section showing PCCP, curb and gutter, and yung retaining wall po natin. Section detail of single barrel box culvert and manhole cover details. Details of proposed box culvert with manhole cover and inlet. Ito po yung routed riprap natin. Meron po tayong dalawa na station sa left side at right side. Station 0 plus 046 to station 0 plus 071 left side. And then station 0 plus 028 to station 0 plus 075 right side naman po. And then traffic management layout and yung road safety signages and details in the project billboard. So ito po yung details for the project 26PD0036. Thank you.
Any question po for this project? Yes, ma'am.
Okay na lang, Engineer Carl. Hindi, para marinig din ng online audience natin.
Sir, sir, ask ko lang po sana kung yung mga affected na mga bahay ay may notice. Kasi parang nakita ko meron pa yata parang half na bahay ang makukuha.
Meron naman po tayong coordination meeting po kasama po yung mga affected po ng residents. Bali, coordinated din po yun with Barangay. Bali, meron din po black and white kami na pinagkakas sa kanila na objection po yung paggawa po ng road opening po natin.
Sir, isa pa. Yung plan po, sir, yung kanal natin, box culvert po yun ba yun? Thank you, sir.
So yun yung for the record, ang nagtanong is si Ma'am Evelyn E. Balagay from the Guava Construction. Thank you, ma'am, for your question. For the next project.
Ano ba ito, sir? Ano ba? Okay. Okay, sir. Start.
Hello. So, I'm Engineer Boxijo from Construction Section. So for the project is 26 PD38 Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating Gaps, Access Road, and or bridges from the national road leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of road, Barangay, Fairview, Station 185 to 265, Baguio City. Contract ID is 26 PD38 with appropriation of 4.9 million. Scope of work, 2 civil works for construction of road and slope protection. So contract duration is 140 calendar days. Station limits is 185 to 265 location at Barangay Fairview with a net length of 68 meters only. So for the quantities, we have 2 civil works for construction of slope protection and construction of road as presented. So this is the start of the project. The start of the project consists of retaining wall, preparing of papalitan yung bago po dun papalitan ng bago itong cross drain na to, magiging interceptor I mean. Ito po yung road, so magkakaroon po ng widening dyan, 4 meters po yung wide ng road. Tapos ito po yung sa may intermediate of the post project, gitna ng project from station 245. Bale, both side meron pong retaining wall kasi magkakaroon po ng paghihilot dyan sa may road. Papalitan din po natin tong existing fence na contract ni mga bahay. Coordinated din po sa mga may bahay dito na mababawasan yung mga fences nila. So, end ng proposed project, dito po yung sa may pang 68 meters niya po. Dito po, going po yan dito sa may school ng elementary ng Fairview. Bale, dito po ihilutin yung road going up po. So, ito po yung straight line diagram. Start ng proposed ng project with box culvert, station 200. Dun po yung start ng road, interceptor, retaining wall, and yun po. So, typical dimension of the PCCP, 230 mm po yung thickness from station 200 to 265 ang PCCP. ito po yung proposed na interceptor details po and inlet gratings. So for the retaining wall, 3.5 po yung height niya using grade 40 only po na mga bakal. And that's all. Thank you. Any question po?
The floor is open for question and clarification for this project. Do you have any questions? So, none po. So, we have some important reminders also. Please be reminded of the following. We will read some important points in the invitation to bid. For contract ID 26PD0027, go back. The ABC is 13,061,440 pesos with a CWA of 5 million, ICW1 of 5,972,297 and 89 centavos, CW2 4,343,522 and 46 centavos, CW3 2,745,000 and 619 pesos and 65 centavos. Cost of bid docs is 25,000. For 26 PG0028, road widening along Harrison Road 2, approved approved budget for the contract is 6,434,680 with a CW1 of 2,709,061 pesos and 70 centavos, CW2 2,375,137 pesos and 1 centavo, CW3 1,350,481 peso and 29 centavo. Cost of bid documents 10,000. For 26 PD 0036, Barangay Asin. So yung approved budget for the contract is 24 million and 10,000 with a CW1 of 18,838,247 and 34 centavos, CW2 5 million and 171,752 pesos and 66 centavos. Cost of bid docs is 25,000. For 26 PD 0038, Barangay Fairview, the ABC is 4,802,000 with a CW1 of 2,666,968 pesos and 92 centavos, CW2 2,135,031 pesos and 8 centavos. Cost of bid docs is 5,000. So dropping of bid is on August 3, 2026, 10 a.m. at the Baguio City DEO. For further information, please refer to Dellar H. Depayanos Jr., Engineer 3, DPWH Baguio City Engineering Office, Engineer Seal, with the telephone number of 074-442-8195 and other important points to be discussed by Norman C. Stolas from the bid data sheet.
Please be reminded that the procuring entity's address is Roydin Mark B. Pasqua, Vice Chairperson, DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office, Engineers Hill, Baguio City. And pakibasa na lang po yung data sheet regarding sa minimum work experience ng mga key personnel, then sa mga minimum major equipments requirements po. Then also ITB clause 70.2 documents and forms in the bid to be addressed to Marion Joy S. Santa Maria, OIC District Engineer, as the head of the procuring entity, or Roydin Mark B. Pasqua, Vice Chairperson, DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office, Engineer Seal, Baguio City. The address for submission of bids is DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office, Engineer Seal, Baguio City. Deadline of submission of bids is 10 a.m. of August 3. So,
Sir Francis, do you have any additional inputs?
Yes, additional information lang to all prospective bidders are reminded to carefully review and comply with all bidding requirements. Any acts that may defeat the purpose of competitive bidding, including the submission of patently insufficient bids, late submission without valid reasons, or other offenses identified under the DPWH 3-strike policy, shall be subject to the appropriate action in accordance with DEO number 28 series of 2024. Likewise, all prospective bidders are also reminded to truthfully and completely declare all ongoing and awarded but not yet started contracts, including DPWH, government, and private contracts, in the required forms. Failure to disclose such information may result in disqualification and the imposition of appropriate sanctions.
So yun po yung mga additional inputs. Are there any more questions, clarifications from our online viewers? So yun po, please take note lang with regards if there will be any changes in the bid docs or in the plans and the program of work. Bid bulletin will be issued. So paki-check lang yung sa PhilJeps natin. If none naman, is much better po. So hearing no more further questions, we thank you for everyone for your participation and cooperation. This private conference for the 4 infra projects is adjourned at exactly 10:56 a.m. So thank you po. So now let's proceed for the bidding activity. So for the goods, we are 3 out of 5 back members who are present. Sir Darwin Tayab, Sir Francis H. Saloria, and yours truly, Roydin Mark D. Pasqua. So we have 3 out of 5. For the maintenance project, we have Carlos Ofiasa and Francis H. Saloria, and yours truly, Roydin Mark D. Pasqua. So we are 3 out of 5 again. So we have a quorum to conduct this bidding. For the infra project, representative is, back member is Norman C. Estolas, Frances H. Saloria, and Roydin Mark D. Pasqua. We are 3 out of 5, so we have a quorum again. So I will read the project. For the goods, we have 26 GPD 18, procurement of delivery of reflectorized traffic paint and road safety signages for the maintenance, repair, and rehabilitation of infrastructure facilities and other related activities for the routine maintenance of national roads, bridges, and repair maintenance of road safety facilities. Activity number 301, 303, and 309. We have an ABC of 1,962,961 pesos and 72 centavos. So we invited three suppliers, namely Edel Enterprises, Dapli Enterprises, OPC, Rough Road Construction. However, only one bidder who submitted his bid, namely Rough Road Construction. For the 26 GPD 17, procurement of delivery of materials for the maintenance, repair, and rehabilitation of the infrastructure facilities and other related activities for the routine maintenance of national roads and bridges and repair, maintenance of road safety facilities, premix, hot laid and emulsified asphalt, activity 111. So we invited three, namely HDG Construction and Enterprises, Goldrich Construction and Trading, and Edel Enterprises. However, only Edel Enterprises who submitted his bid. For the maintenance project, we have 26 PD 0050, maintenance, repair, and rehabilitation of infrastructure facilities and other related activities for the routine maintenance of national roads and bridges and repair maintenance of road safety facilities along Lieutenant Takay Road, K0308 plus 050 to K0308 plus 107, Bukaukan Road, K0307 plus minus 282 to K0307 plus minus 210, Luakan Road, K0249 plus minus 046.5 to K0249 plus minus 027, replacement of concrete pavement, activity 123 under 71X. So only one bidder who submitted his bid, Norbano Builders. This one has an ABC of 1,500,000. For the infra project, we have 26 PD 0021, rehabilitation, major repair of permanent bridges, Asin Bridge B02075LJ along Asin Road, Baguio City, with an ABC of 3,841,600 pesos. We have two bidders who submitted their bids, namely BTL Construction and Heights Construction. May I request the Back Secretariat to open the technical component of the bidders of the goods, maintenance projects, and infra project. 26PD0021. Contractor's name, Heights Construction for his legal aspects. Mayor's permit, valid until December 31, 2026. DTI, valid until October 14, 2026. BIR tax clearance certificate, valid until June 13, 2026. However, in his submitted list of eligibility documents, expiration date of the tax clearance is July 8, 2027. PhilJEP's registration, valid until July 16, 2026. However, in his submitted list of eligibility documents, expiration date of pickup license is February 6, 2027. For his technical and financial aspects, pickup license valid until June 6, 2027. Pickup registration valid until August 13, 2028. Sa PhilJEP's registration, July 16, 2026. As per certificate of PhilJEP's registration, it is valid until July 20, 2027. Copy, ma'am. Work experience, SLCC, pass. NFCC, pass. For DDL construction, for records purposes, may I ask if what is the status of is there any representative from the DDL construction? Because attendance ka na. So yun, bakit can you take note of that na we already applied and already submitted the required documents for updating. already submitted eligibility.
Thank you.
team. As per preliminary examination, using the non-discretionary pass or fail criterion. Requirements, certificate for rough road construction. Requirements, certificate of PhilJEP's registration or registration number, pass. BIR certificate of registration, pass. NGPA omnibus sworn statement, pass. Income or business tax return, pass. So all the technical components are present, so we will be complying. So we will read its offered bid. The offered bid is read as 1,943,000 pesos only. No discount offered. Sir Darwin, can you confirm?
To confirm the bid of rough road construction supplies and trading, his bid is 1,943,405.
So sorry, so that's 1,943,405 pesos only. No discount offered. Confirm again.
To reconfirm what was read and declared by the Vice Chairman, the bid is 1,943,405 pesos only.
For 26 GPD 17, Idel Enterprises, for the technical component requirements, certificate of PhilJEP's registration or registration number, pass. BIR certificate of registration, pass. NGPA omnibus sworn statement, pass. Income or business tax return, pass. So complying, all documents, all technical documents are present and complete. Fact declares complying. So we will read the offered bid of Idel Enterprises. The offered bid is read as 1,996,900 pesos only. No discount offered. Sir Darwin, can you confirm?
To confirm the bid of Idel Enterprises, his bid is 1,996,900 pesos only. Same as was read by the Vice Chairman.
Based on the preliminary examination using the non-discretionary pass or fail criterion for project 26PD 0050, contractor is Norbano Builders. All the technical components or documents are present and complete, so BAC declares complying. Would like to request the BAC Secretariat to open the financial component of Norbano Builders. PD 0021 for Heights Construction. All the technical component or documents of Heights Construction are present and complete. BAC declares complying. And for BDL Construction, all the technical component or documents of BDL Construction present and complete, so back declares complying. I would like to request also for the financial component of the two bidders for 26 PD 0021 to be open. The financial documents of Urbano Builders are all present and complete. Back declares comply. So we will read the offered bid. The offered bid is read as 1,480,000, 1,480,308 pesos and 3 centavos only. No discount offered. Dear Frances, can you confirm?
For confirmation, the offered bid of the Urbano Builders is in the amount of 1,480,308 pesos and 3 centavos only. No discount offered, the same as declared by our Vice Back Chairperson.
for 26 PD 0021. Contractor is BDL Construction. All the financial documents of BDL Construction are present and complete. So BAC declares complying. So we will read the offered bid of BDL Construction. The offered bid is read as 3,835,996 pesos and 26 centavos only. No discount offered. Engineer Frances, can you confirm?
For confirmation, the offered bid of BDL Construction is 3,835,996 pesos and 26 centavos only. No discount offered, the same as declared by our Vice BAC Chairperson.
For the same contract ID, name of bidder is Heights Construction. All the technical component, all the financial component of Heights Construction are present and complete. So BAC declares complying. So we will read the offered bid. The offered bid is read as 3,612,612 pesos and 12 centavos. Correct? No discount offered. Engineer Frances, can you confirm?
Bid of Heights Construction is 3,612,612 pesos and 12 centavos. No discount offered, the same as declared by our Vice BAC Chairperson.
Based on the result of the preliminary examination, the lowest calculated bid or the single calculated bid is shown on the screen. Can you show the size? From our online viewers and from our bidders. So none. The declaration of the lowest calculated bid or the single calculated bid is subject to bid evaluation and post-qualification to determine the lowest calculated bid, a lowest calculated responsive bid or the single calculated responsive bid. So if no more question, we thank you for all the participating bidders and the observers from our also the online viewers. Thank you for your presence and cooperation. This concludes the